Gompa practice. The great Dzogchen master Yungtun Dorje Pal was asked, "What meditation do you do?" And he replied, "What would I meditate on?" So his questioner concluded, "In Dzogchen, you don't meditate then." But Yungtun Dorje Pal replied, "When am I ever distracted from contemplation?" The distinction between what is meant by the terms meditation and contemplation is an essential one in Dzogchen. The practice of Dzogchen is, properly speaking, the practice of contemplation, which consists in abiding in the non-dual state which, of its own nature, uninterruptedly self-liberates. This state, which is not conditioned by the conceptual level of mental activity, also encompasses thought and the functioning of what we generally consider to be our ordinary minds. Thought can, and indeed does, arise in contemplation, but in contemplation one is not conditioned by it, since the primordial state is inherently self-liberating. By simply leaving thought alone, it liberates itself. In contemplation, therefore, as the term is used in Dzogchen, the mind makes no effort whatsoever. There is nothing to do or to abstain from doing. Since what is self-perfected just as it is left in its own condition. What is meant by meditation in Dzogchen teachings, on the other hand, is one or other of the very many practices that involve working with the dualistic relative mind, in order to enable one to enter the state of contemplation. These practices can include the various kinds of fixation of the gaze that are done to bring one to the calm state, as well as the various kinds of visualization practices, and so on. So in what is called meditation, there is something to be done with the mind, but in contemplation, there is not.